Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In the previous video we have learned about the inequations, the types of inequations and the intervals and types of intervals. In this video we are going to discuss about the solutions of linear inequations in one variable. What are the solutions of any of the linear inequation? First let's learn about the linear inequation. We have already discussed about this. But now let's learn linear inequation is of degree 1. And if it is of single variable, one variable, then it can be of the form like 2x plus 5 is greater than 0. In case we want to find out the solution of this, what we will do? We will use the transposition. To eliminate this 5 from the left hand side, we will subtract 5 from both the sides. We are going 2x plus 5 minus 5 is greater than 0 minus 5. This 5 cancels this minus 5 and hence we are getting this as 2x is greater than minus 5. Now we have to divide both the sides by 2. And then we get here x is greater than minus 5 by 2. It means all those real numbers which are greater than minus 5 by 2 are the solutions of this particular inequation or inequality. In the form of interval, we can write the solution as x belongs to minus 5 by 2 to infinity. This is open interval on both the sides. In case we want to represent the solution on the number line, we will mark minus 5 by 2 here. This is 0, 1, 2 and so on. Minus 5 by 2 is not the solution, so we mark it with the open bubble, as we learnt about the open intervals. And then it goes up to infinity. We will mark it here with the arrow plus infinity. And then we can darken the part of the line. This is the solution of the inequation. It means what? Then we say that the solution of an inequation or inequality in one variable is the group of real numbers which satisfy the inequality, or we say which makes the inequality a true statement. We will discuss now about the algorithm of the solution of the linear inequation. The algorithm to find the solution of an inequality, that is linear inequality in one variable, is first you write the inequality or the inequation which is given to you. Then use the transposition, and by using the transposition keep only the variable on the left hand side and other constants on the right side. And then you can write down the solution in the form of either in an equality or in the form of interval or on the number line. See, we have to understand the application of the transposition. In inequality, you add or subtract any of the real number on both the sides of the inequality does not affect the inequality. You multiply or divide by any of the positive number on both the sides, the inequality is not affected. But in case you multiply or divide it by a negative number, then the sign of inequality is reversed. How it is, let's understand this now. To understand this point easily, we take two numbers. Suppose we take 4 and minus 5. And we know that 4 is greater than minus 5. If we multiply both the sides by minus 1, multiply by minus 1. When 4 is multiplied by minus 1, it becomes minus 4. And when minus 5 is multiplied by minus 1, this becomes 5. Is minus 4 greater than 5? No, it is a negative number. It is less than 5. So, minus 4 is less than 5. The sign of inequality here is less than. Whereas it was here greater than. And that's what we say. If we multiply any of the inequality or inequation by a negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. That you have to keep in mind. Let's take some examples now to understand this more clearly from NCERT exercise 5.1. And question number 1 here is solve 24x less than 100 when number 1 x is a natural number and number 2 and x is an integer. Let's see the solution now. So first we write the inequality 24x less than 100. Then use the transposition divide by 24. So we are dividing by positive 24. No effect on the inequality sign. So it will be x is less than 100 upon 24. 4 cancels. 4 6 are 24, 4 25. It means we are getting x is less than 25 by 6. Can we write here that x is less than 4 1 upon 6? Greater than 4. 4 1 upon 6 is greater than 4. All the numbers which are less than this will be up to 4 only. Let's see the first case. It is when x is a natural number. When x is a natural number. Satisfying this inequality or making it a true statement. What are the numbers x which are less than 4 1 by 6 and they are natural numbers? They are 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. It means we can write that x takes all the values that is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. The second case, when x is an integer. So all the integers from minus infinity to 4 will be the solution of this. It means we can say that x is having all the values, negative values and also the positive values up to 4, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the negative integers and positive integers only up to 4 will be the solution of this particular inequality. The next question we are taking is question number 5 from the same exercise, which is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. What we do? First of all, we have to take only one variable onto this side. So to eliminate this 5x from this side, we can subtract 5x from both the sides. And for that we get 4x minus 5x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7 minus 5x. This 5x and 5x are cancelled here. And we are getting here 4x minus 5x is minus x. Now to eliminate this 3, we subtract 3 from both the sides. So it is plus 3 minus 3 less than 7 minus 3. This 3 and 3 also cancel. We are getting it as x minus x less than 7 minus 3 is 4. Now this negative sign is to be eliminated. For that we have to multiply both the sides by minus 1. And then we know that if we multiply by minus 1, the sign of inequality will be reversed. It means we can write this as x is greater than minus 4. From this we get x is greater than minus 4 means x belongs to minus 4 comma infinity, and this is open interval because this is greater than minus 4, it means minus 4 is not included. And this is the answer, this is the solution to this particular problem. Then we go to question number 11 of this. See here, this is in a fraction. 3 into x minus 2 upon 5 is less than equal to 5 into 2 minus x upon 3. First of all, we eliminate this 5 and 3. And for that what we do? We take the LCM of 5 and 3. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So we multiply both the sides by 15. We can write multiplying by 15. What we get? 3 into x minus 2 upon 5 into 15. Less than equal to 5 into 2 minus x upon 3 into 15. This 5 cancels this 3 times and this 3 cancels this 5 times. So it gives us 3 into 3 9, it will be 9x minus 18. Less than equal to 5 5 are 25 to the 50 minus 25x. Now we can make use of the transposition for this minus 25. Either we can write it directly here, or otherwise we can add 25 on both the sides that we know. So we can write this as 9x plus 25x is less than equal to 18. We are transposing this side, or we can say adding 18 on both the sides. So this will be 15 plus 18. It gives us 9 plus 25, 34x is less than equal to 68. And now divide by 34. This gives us x is less than equal to 68 upon 34, or x is less than equal to 2. It means the value of x which are less than 2 or up to 2, that will be making this statement true. That is the solution. So we can write here, therefore x belongs to minus infinity to 2, and this is open on this side and this is closed on this side because 2 is also included. So this is a semi-open or semi-closed interval, and that is the answer to the particular problem. Next we are going to discuss question number 17. In this we have to find the solution on the number line also, and this is 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Using the transposition, we have to eliminate 2x from the right side. So subtracting 2x from both the sides, or directly we can transpose this on this side, it will be minus 2x. And then minus 2 can be transposed to that side. So we are getting here 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2. This gives us x is less than 3. It means the solution of this is x belongs to minus infinity to 3. That is open because 3 is not included. Now to represent the solution on the number line, we draw a number line here, mark 0 here, 1, 2, 3 here. And we have to show less than 3 means 3 is not included. So this will be a hollow bubble marked here. And on the negative side it goes up to minus infinity. We mark with an arrow and then darken this particular line because this is going towards the negative side. This is the representation of the solution of this on the number line. Now we discuss question number 20 of this. There is x upon 2 greater than equal to 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. Again in fraction. And here we have 2, 3 and 5 as the denominators. So we take the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. So we multiply both the sides by 30. Multiplying by 30. We get x upon 2 into 30 is greater than equal to 5x minus 2 upon 3 into 30 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5 into 30. Cancellation. 2 cancels it 15 times, 3 cancels it 10 times, and 5 cancels it 6 times. Simplifying, we get here, this is 15x. Greater than equal to, multiply by 10, it is 50x minus 20. Minus, multiplying by 6, it is 42x plus 18. And then again we use the transposition, or before that we simplify this is 15x is greater than equal to 50x minus 42x is 8x, minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2. And now we can use the transposition, so this will give us 15x minus 8x is greater than equal to minus 2. 15 minus 8, 7. It means 7x is greater than equal to minus 2. Which gives us the solution x is greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. We can write the solution here. X belongs to minus 2 by 7 to infinity, that is in the interval form. But here you see this is closed. So here minus 2 by 7 will be with the square bracket, that is closed, and this is open on the infinity side. To represent this on the number line, we can draw the number line here, mark with 0, mark here minus 2 by 7. This is suppose minus 1, and then we mark here 1, 2 and so on, and since we have to take minus 2 by 7, this is included, so this will be a filled bubble, closed one. Towards positive infinity, we mark it with the arrow and then we darken this particular part of the line. So this is the solution of the inequation given to us. I hope you must have understood better way how to find out the solution of a linear inequation. In the next video, we will learn about the solution of the system of linear inequations in one variable. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.